We have a passion for buildings, and everybody here seems to share that same passion.
We were building as we were still in business, so it was important that we get done as quickly as possible. And even with the extremely bad winter we had, they managed to finish right on time, which was fantastic for us. When we discussed it with the architect and discussed it with the engineers, the building came out exactly how we pictured it.
We have architects, engineers, and the contractors under one roof, constantly collaborating with each other, making sure the drawings are accurate, making sure the construction is on track, making sure what we drew is getting built.
He both puts creative ideas behind the design of the building and very practical construction ideas about what it's going to cost and how we're going to use the building. And that combination in one place is very unique.
It was very impressive. There was no us versus them. It was really the combined effort of the design and the construction team that put all the projects together.
The open book process provides a comfort level to the owner that he's getting a square deal, and that's what he's getting.
They give you a detailed estimate of a schedule, like a Gantt chart, and their budgeting is all open book. So they break out all of the bidding, the costs, the subcontractor information. There's no hidden costs. You see everything up front.
And we like that system because we like the transparency of the numbers. And we've been very confident over time that once we receive a budget and we work with it, that Claris has been competent and able to stay within the budget of the project.
They were able to tell us in advance exactly what the cost would be, gave us a very detailed breakdown of the cost, and they managed to stay on that cost estimate as well as the timeline for completion.
They built the building that we wanted, even with all of the changes, on time and on budget.
And then there was also some things that came along where I had a little bit of a wish list here and there where I would say, I want to, maybe do this or add this, and we were able to do it and still come in under budget.
We opened up when we were supposed to open up, and everything was fantastic.
In spite of adding to the original drawings, we still came in substantially under budget and on time.
We work with large corporations, Fortune 100 manufacturers, and when they come here, their comment is very often that we look like a larger corporation than we are. And I think that's a lot of that has to do with the quality of the buildings and the appearance of the buildings.
We get a really nice finished product that we're really happy with.
We constantly get compliments on the building and how nice it is and how nice it looks, and even how green our grass is. But it's visually, it's a very appealing building from the street and the inside.
We have a extended warranty program that seems to go on for life. And we've been back to projects 10, 15 years after we built them.
They came back with no questions asked and replaced the granite tiles in our entryway. So I don't think a lot of builders would do that.
I think Claris's follow-up after the building was done was superb. We did have a couple issues, as with most construction projects of this size. The site supervisor knew about it right off the bat. He came in and handled the situation quickly and as efficiently as possible, considering being a health club that there's always people in here.
They send somebody over to the building if a door is squeaking. They have been phenomenal at every aspect of the follow-up of once we got our CO and we took possession of the building.
They are terrific in staying in touch and standing behind what they've built.
Because they listened so well, because they were organized so well, because they performed thoughtfully, Claris in all their aspects, we were delighted by both the timing and the end result on a financial basis. But the organization from top to bottom was just outstanding.
They come through with their promises. They have high integrity. They're responsive, fair price, and then the quality of the design and the work is tops.